Hi guys, girls, this is Seppi and welcome to the first video of Korean Daily Drills. Today we are gonna try to have a better understanding about Korean consonant L, specifically about how they behave phonetically according to syllable structure. Depending on whether Korean L is used as head consonant or 받침, Korean L sounds slightly different, and that subtle difference may not be easy to catch for English speakers. It makes L sound when used as 받침. It is obvious and easy to pronounce. But when used as head consonant, its sound doesn't have any English correspondence. It makes D sound. Binding it to A, E, I, O, U, it makes La, Re, Ri, Do, Du sequentially. The sound of this consonant corresponds to Spanish or Italian R. In case you don't speak either language, think of it as a sound that is located somewhere between English D and L. It is going to be spotted somewhere in that spectrum. Again, Da, Re, Ri, Do, Du. Like always, it's easier to get it by taking real-world examples. So let's practice by repeating ourselves. Here I bring several exemplary words which contain at least one syllable with Korean L as its head consonant. Okay, the first example. 고래. 고래. 고래 means whale. As you heard, it doesn't sound 골래 nor 고래, which means it doesn't correspond to English L nor R. Well, let's move on to the second example. 노루. 노루. 노루 means a deer. Also, in this example, we can see that this Korean L alphabet does not have a sound that exactly corresponds to English L nor R. It would have sounded nolu or noru, but it is noru. I named this consonant as Korean L just because the sound of it is at least most similar to English L in my opinion, and its 받침 sound corresponds to English L almost 100%. But always keep in mind that it is slightly different when used as a head consonant of syllable. Well, next example. 라면. 라면. 라면 means instant noodle. It is not 라면 nor ramen, but 라면. From this time on, I'm gonna read several more exemplary words, so repeat after me by your own. 레고. 로마. 로봇. 노래. 코리아. 머리. 러시아. 리그 오브 레전드. Some might have noticed that English words that contain either alphabet L or R get expressed as Korean L when written in hangul, even though English R sounds totally different from this Korean character. That is because there is no consonant at all that corresponds to English R in Korean alphabetic system, that people decided to substitute English R to Korean L whenever they imported such words that were originated outside Korea. They tried to Koreanize them at their best. Now let's go for the cases where Korean L is used as 받침. When Korean L is used as 받침, it makes a plain English L sound. Easy. Let me show you examples and you try repeating yourself. All upcoming example words contain Korean L as 받침. 술, 불, 발, 물, 빨리, 돌멩이, 자갈, 칼, 칼날, 올챙이, 팔, 칼국수, 배틀그라운드. As I mentioned, it is easy, right? You can just think of it as plain English L when used as 받침. Hope this short video clip helped you a little bit differentiate between head consonant and 받침 sound of Korean L. See you in the next real video clip. 다음에 봐요.